Hi, I'm Laura at Au Marché. We have a brand new recipe that I'm excited to tell you about. One of my favorite things is margarita night with my girlfriends. This will be great for any graduation party that you're going to, any kind of get together this spring and summer. We call it the Orangina Margarita, and it is so easy to make. Take a glass and fill it with ice. Add 2 ounces of your favorite tequila, the juice of about half a lime. You can add a little bit more if you like. And then after that, we're just going to fill this glass with Orangina. Orangina is a delicious drink from France. It's basically like a carbonated orange juice. This really works. I'm gonna give it a stir. I'm gonna make it pretty, like this one, with a garnish of lime and a garnish of orange. Cheers.